happened is for the last several weeks, we've started to see a real significant increase in cases. We have doubled in about 2.5 weeks. We've doubled the number of cases from 1,000 cases in Ohio to 2,000 cases. And at the same time, we've seen the positivity rate almost double. We were down to about 2.5%. We're now pushing on a daily average close to 5%. So we've seen that jump. We've seen a real significant spread throughout the state of Ohio, this red tide going all over Ohio really into our rural areas. I don't think the coming and going of the election is not going to change the virus. The virus still is our enemy before Election Day and after Election Day. We have a common enemy. Democrats, Republicans, Independents, whoever. This is our common enemy, and we got to continue the battle. And as I said, the good news is the end is out there. I mean, we can see the end. We just don't know exactly the day it's going to be or the month it's going to be, but it's coming. I think it's clear Halloween parties are not a good idea. Big gatherings are not a good idea. There's ways, as I said at the beginning, there's ways to do most things that can be safe. Parents going out with kids and trying to keep those kids, their kids, separate from other kids is important. I think how trick-or-treaters approach a house is important. Don't go right up to the door. And I would say the same thing to people who want to turn their light on and want to have a treat for them. There's probably a way of doing it, but you just got to be careful. I mean, what you don't want is the spread of touching a lot of different things. But it is outside, and again, people need to wear some sort of mask. What you always worry about at Halloween, or at least what I worry about, is any kind of mask messing up vision. Kids can get hurt, trip over something, mess up their vision. So you don't want to ever mess up your vision. But this type of a mask will do vision. You'll see fine. So just there's ways of doing it, and I think people just have to be careful with their kids and how they go about it.